In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own avatar in Zoom. By the end, you'll have a personalized avatar that mirrors your expressions and keeps you camera ready, even on days when you'd rather not appear on video. I'll walk you through each action clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, look for the small arrow right next to the video camera icon on the Zoom toolbar. This tiny arrow opens additional camera options. If your toolbar isn't visible, move your mouse to bring it up. You can do this from a meeting window or from the preview before joining. From that menu, choose Video and Effects Settings. This opens the Settings panel where you'll see your video preview and the visual effects options all in one place. It's a handy hub for anything related to how you appear on screen. Inside that panel, find and select the Avatar section. This is where Zoom keeps both preset characters and the tools to build your own. Selecting it will switch your preview over to Avatar mode, so you can see changes in real time. Next, click the plus icon. This is your entry point to creating a new, custom avatar. It launches the editor, which is designed to be straightforward even if you've never customized an avatar before. Now start editing your avatar. Adjust the basics like face shape and skin tone, then move through features such as hairstyle, eye shape and color, eyebrows, facial hair, glasses, and clothing. Take your time and glance at the live preview to see how each tweak affects the overall look. Aim for a likeness that feels authentically you, or lean into a stylized version if that better matches your brand. Small changes often make the biggest difference. Subtle brow adjustments, hair volume, or a slight tweak to color can bring the avatar to life. If your lighting is bright or dim in your usual space, consider clothing and hair contrast that will stand out well. As you edit, lightly turn your head and blink so you can confirm expressions track smoothly. When you're happy with the result, click Apply. This activates your avatar so it replaces your camera feed in the meeting. Your movements and expressions will drive the avatar, while your audio remains exactly the same. If you don't immediately see it on screen, make sure your camera is enabled and the avatar is selected in the same settings area. That's it. You've created and applied your own Zoom avatar. You can revisit the avatar section anytime to refine the look or switch it off when you want to appear on camera again.